Hi guys, it's me, Sadie Clark. So you guys, I got my slime in there because I was making a slime video and I accidentally got some of this, and an accident went on the screen and my phone froze, so it didn't want to pause or anything. So I was trying, so I had to make a renew one. So the important stuff is to make slime. You need this. You need this. Hi guys. Need one of those, but it doesn't need an egg. You need a spoon. You don't need a big of one. Then you need one of these. Doesn't matter what color. So I started squeezing. Oh, and you need a bin. And you need a color. It doesn't matter what color. Like if you can just do plain white. So my brother just made a video. It's called Pokémon Go opening video of my little sister. I just seen it on my phone, so you guys should check that out. I think I need to back you guys up so I don't get you guys. Alright guys, you're backed up. The container. So that's good. So and then we're gonna pour this. So take the cap, pour it over the bowl, so if it spills, it goes in the bowl because it's supposed to go in the bowl. Oh my gosh. And then you pour it on the slime. So I poured it on that big piece. Now I need over there and over there. Here, I'll move it right there. Whoa. And then if you need some more and you feel like you need more while you're mixing, hold on guys, alright guys, I'm getting all cleaned up. So let me just put the roll right over there. I want to be in our way. So now let's mix it up. I'm gonna get a bigger one, so I'm gonna pause you guys so it doesn't waste the video so long. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna try this. So you want to tip it over. You know what, guys? I need a bigger one. I was like, I think I should try. I don't think we need that. I don't think I need that. Yeah, this is better. We didn't need that. Guys, sorry, you guys don't need one twister things. So you just need these two objects. Oh, and you need a bin. Doesn't have to be this big. It can be small, but it needs to be wide because you can have big. You can get a couple bottles and put them together and make a lot of slime. I did that once. There's not that much slime in here, but that's okay. I just have a little bit of slime. How is it turning out? Not slime yet. That's how you know how slime goes stick on the ground. That's how it'll be the no. You guys should ask your parents. I don't because they know what I'm doing for a video. They see me doing a video. So don't have to ask. Paper towel. I'm gonna put that like right there so I can put this down. Nope, not sticky at all. So let's put some more activator. I think it's called activator. Everyone says that. Whoa, that's a lot. You guys should do it with a tab. I forgot. We don't want to spill this because one time I did spill it, so that's why I don't have that much there. The spoon's pretty terrible. That's for scooping it. Forgot, it's for scooping it. This is taking forever. Okay, I'll put it this way. Mix it, mix it, mix it. See, I don't have that much slime. Nope, not time for your fingers. I just want to do that. Okay, guys, I'm going to call my brother. Alright, guys, I was just talking to my brother. Let's see here. It's getting there. You either mix the slime back and forth or in a circle, whatever. Alright guys, this is taking forever. I'm sorry guys. This will take for a long time. I did it for the morning to lunchtime. And this is going to be a long video, so I'm sorry guys. Hold on, let's wash my hand real quick. So I'll show you guys when it's done made someday. I think I just might throw it away. I don't know because this is taking a long time. So fist bump. High five. High five.